For today's recipe, we're going to be cooking blackened lake trout over spinach salad. For step-by-step directions for this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com.
Hello and welcome to the Greenway Outdoors Kitchen. Today we have a blackened lake trout with spinach salad recipe. It's quick, it's easy, and it's tasty. Let's get started.
Start by mixing the paprika, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, thyme, oregano, garlic, and salt in a small bowl. Next, you'll want to dredge your lake trout in butter. This will act as a great sealer and also a great adhesive in order to get the seasonings to stick to the fish. Next, you'll coat the entire fish with all of your seasonings. Make sure you cover every single inch so that there's good consistency across the fillet. Meanwhile, you'll want to make sure your heavy frying pan is set to medium-high heat and hot enough to boil off a teaspoon of water in 5 to 10 seconds. Using long tongs, you'll move the fillets into the frying pan. It's very hot and should smoke right away. You'll also really smell the spices in the air. Add 2 tablespoons of butter over the top of each fillet. Cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes or until blackened. Cut into the fillets to make sure it's fully cooked. If your fillet is thicker and they aren't finished cooking, leave on the second side until cooking desired level is reached. Meanwhile, mix the mayonnaise, olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of the spice mixture to make your salad dressing. Put over a bed of spinach, tomatoes, add the dressing, and enjoy.
This recipe smells great. The key to this one is make sure that pan is hot, because if it's not, you're not going to get that blackened outside. That is a lot of flavor. This recipe has quite a bit of kick to it, so if you like spice, this is a great one to incorporate with all your lake trout fillets, especially considering the fish is so big and you've got a lot of meat to work with. For this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube pages. We'd love to hear from you on episodes you'd like to see. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay green.